Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery. Select a photo of mango, change the background, select the red color and then select the edit by rating. Select the size option, adjust the size, select the stroke button, enable button on, adjust the color and then copy the letters to the copy option. Change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, save the letters to the save option, adjust the save confirmation. And then select the texture option, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, then select the 3D shape, enable button down, select the acceleration, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.